Hi guys, so now I will explain to you about the status of food security in Malaysia. First of all, you must know the definition of food security. Food security is defined as having an assurance on the availability of food as well as the sufficient access to food and safe food utilization. We know we have four important components of food security. First of all, we have the availability of food. We have access to food. And for third, we have the food utilization. And lastly is the food stability. Availability of food explain there is sufficient supply of high quality food in the local markets as well as imported food. While access to food explain to us food can be easily obtained in order to meet the nutritional needs of diet. The ability of an individual to get enough nutrients by consuming food and drinking clean water as well as good practice in food processing and preparation is under the third component of food security. And the lastly, which is the food stability that explain each individual has access to get enough nutritious food at all the time. As you know, in Malaysia we have Muslims, so we need to get the halal food. So halal is an important element in determining the status of food security. Halal food must be manufactured in clean surrounding using method which emphasize on hygiene and orderliness during the production process. As we know, all factories in Malaysia that produce food product must be certified by Jazari to receive the halal stamp. A little bit extra info from me. Let's watch this video.
Now look at this.
Even before Independence Day, the National Food Security Policy had been implemented in Malaysia through the National Rice and Paddy Policy. However, this policy only emphasizes on the production of rice. After the World Food Crisis in 2008, the government drafted the Dasar Jaminan Bekalan Makanan Negara. This policy provides a guarantee on sufficient food security for the Malaysian population.
That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haika and today I will like to talk about green technology. What is green technology? Green technology is defined as development and application of products, equipment and systems to preserve the environment and nature while minimizing and reducing the negative impact of human activities. Green technology refers to products, equipment or systems which satisfy the following criteria. First, minimize the degradation of the environment. Second, emit zero or low greenhouse gases. Next, safe for use and promote a healthy and improved environment for all forms of life. Fourth, conserve the use of energy and natural resources. And lastly, promote the use of renewable resources. Now, I will talk about the use of green technology in environmental sustainability. As the human pollution increase, development also increase to sustain its needs. And planned development can damage the natural environments as well as conserve natural resources for the present and future generation. Do you know that many various applications of green technology are used to sustain environment and to improve the quality for life for all? Okay, I will explain some of application of green technology that used to sustain the environment. First is wastewater treatment. some technology advancement that have enabled wastewater to purify to make it safe to drink and use. Second, elimination of air pollutants from industry. Green technology is used to reduce air pollutants and to avoid serious environmental damage and health problems. For example, some industries install factory chimneys that have specific device to filter fine particles and toxic gas before the smoke is released into the air. Next is recycling and waste management. Recycling centers are set up to recycle waste from manufactured materials such as glass, metal, paper and aluminium cans to protect the environment and to conserve natural resources. That's all for me. Thank you.
We can practice ourselves by using the concept of green technology by producing eco-enzymes from food waste into cleaning agents. Other than that, we also can recycling kitchen waste and food waste to produce natural fertilizer or growth booster for crops. Social science make use of scientific methods to investigate the field of humanity. Therefore, we can use the application of social science to solve environmental problems and challenges. For example, communication is one of the aspects in social science which plays an important role in solving environmental problems. For example, we can produce pamphlets, magazines, and posters and films to encourage people to save the environment.